Algebraic expression. In this module, you will understand about terms related to algebraic expression. The numbers, symbols, and operators such as plus, minus, etc. grouped together giving some value is known as expression. For example, 3 into 5, A into B, 10 minus 5. A variable is a letter representing a value. For example, in the expression 2x minus 5, x is a variable. So any letter in the expression is known as a variable. Variables can be denoted by using the letters A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. In the same example, we can see a number 5. It is called as constant. A constant is fixed numerical value. A number on its own is called a constant. Let us find variable and constant in one more expression. In the expression y plus 2, y is a variable and 2 is a constant. Y is a letter representing value and 2 is a fixed numerical value. There are two types of expression in mathematics, that is numerical expression and algebraic expression. First, let us understand about numerical expression. Look at the expression that is 4 plus 2 into 1. It is said to be numerical expression because the expression is formed only with the numbers and operators. A number or a combination of numbers formed by using the arithmetic operation is called a numerical expression or an arithmetic expression. For example, 2 plus 5 into 6, 8 minus 3 into 1, 5 into 10 divided by 10, and so on are numerical expressions. Now look at the expression 8x plus 5. This type of expression is known as algebraic expression because the expression is formed with variables, constants, and operators. Thus, we can say an algebraic expression is a combination of variables and constants connected by arithmetic operations. Have a look at some more examples in a tabular form. Now let us understand about the term and coefficients in the expression. A term is a constant or a variable or a product of a constant and one or more variables. For example, 6y square, 7y and minus 4 are called the terms of the expression 6y square plus 7y minus 4. A term is either a single number or variable or numbers and variables multiplied. Terms are separated by plus or minus signs. An example is shown for more clarity. In this expression of 4a square plus 2b minus 3, we can say that there are three terms, that is 4a square, 2b and minus 3. In 10x plus 2y, there are two terms. In 5m square plus 3n minus 5p square minus 6, there are four terms as shown. Now let us understand about coefficient. The coefficient of a given variable or factor in a term is another factor whose product with the given variable or factor is the term itself. If the coefficient is a constant, it is called a constant coefficient or a numerical coefficient. For example, a term 10xy coefficient of xy is 10, which can be said as numerical coefficient, while the coefficient of 10x is y and coefficient of 10y is x. Let us find the numerical coefficient of 4z. Here the coefficient of z is 4. Let us find out the terms and coefficient in the following grid. Now let us understand about power in algebra. Suppose a variable is multiplied 4 times itself, that is b into b into b into b. Then we can write it as b to the power 4. Here b is called the base and 4 is called the exponent or power. Thus, the power of a number tells us as how many times a variable is multiplied. Power is written as a small number to the right side and above the base number. Power is also called as exponent or index. In the term 6y square, the power of the variable y is 2. In the term y, the power of the variable y is 1. We have already learned about terms. Now let us understand about like and unlike terms. The terms which have the same variable with same power are known as like terms. Here 4x, minus 5x and x are like terms as they have the same variable x. Similarly, in expressions 4y square and minus 6y square, the variable y and their exponent square is also same. So 4y square and minus 6y square are said to be like terms. On the other side, terms having different variable or product of variables with different powers are called unlike terms. Here in the expression 3y plus 2x, the variable y and x both are different, so these terms are unlike terms. Similarly, in this example, 5nm square minus n square, you can see that the exponents of the variable are different. Thus, we can say that these types of terms are unlike terms. Let us solve some examples. What will be the numerical coefficient in minus 7xy? Solution. We can see here that the coefficient of variables xy is minus 7. So the numerical coefficient in minus 7xy is minus 7. Find the algebraic expression of the statement. 12 subtracted from z. Solution. As 12 is subtracted from z, it will be z minus 12. Identify the constants and variables from the following. Solution. Here the constants are 5 minus 9.5 and variables are a minus xy and p. Find out the numerical coefficient in each term of the expression given. Solution. The numerical coefficients of term 3y square is 3. For the term minus 4yx is minus 4. And for the term 9x square is 9. Let us revise all that we have learned in this module on algebraic expression.